In this video, you'll learn how to use Microsoft To Do and Planner together so you can keep both your personal life and your professional work organized in one place. We'll walk through the three main sections of the app, what each one is for, and how to think about using them in your day-to-day routine. Let's start with the big picture. The app is divided into three main areas: My Day, My Tasks, and My Plans. Each one has a slightly different purpose, and understanding that difference is what makes the tool really click. First, My Day. You can think of My Day as your daily clean slate. Every morning, my day starts empty on purpose. The idea is that you choose intentionally what you want to focus on today instead of staring at a long, overwhelming list. You don't lose any tasks when my day clears. They're still stored safely in your other lists and plans. My day is simply a focused view. A good habit is to start your workday by opening my day and asking yourself what absolutely needs my attention today. Then you can pull in tasks from your other lists or from your plans. This keeps you from trying to do everything at once and helps you stay realistic about your time. If something doesn't get done, it will drop out of my day when it resets, but the task itself remains in your main lists, so you can decide whether to bring it back into focus tomorrow. Next is My Tasks. This section is home to your private lists as well as any tasks that have been assigned to you from shared projects or team boards. Think of My Tasks as the master collection of everything you're responsible for, both personal and work related. Within My Tasks, you can create separate lists for different areas of your life. For example, you might have one for personal errands, another for long-term work goals, and another for learning or side projects. You can add due dates, reminders, and notes to each task so that all the details you need are in one place. Anytime someone assigns you a task in a team plan, it will automatically appear here as well, so you don't have to hunt through multiple boards to see what you owe. A helpful workflow is to regularly review My Tasks, maybe once a day or once a week, to catch new assignments and decide what's important. From there, you can choose what to send into My Day for focused work time. Finally, there's My Plans. This section is where your collaborative boards live. These used to be called Planner, and they're designed for working with other people. Each plan usually represents a project or a team area. Inside a plan, tasks can be grouped, assigned, and tracked so everyone can see what's happening. You'll typically use My Plans when you're thinking at the project level: what's in progress, what's coming up, and who's responsible for what. When a task inside a plan is assigned to you, it will show up in My Tasks automatically, so you don't have to constantly switch back and forth just to find your own work. Putting it all together, use My Plans for team and project work, My Tasks as your complete list of everything assigned to you or created by you, and My Day as your focused shortlist for what you'll tackle today. Once you get into the habit of moving tasks between these three views, you'll have a simple, flexible system that keeps you organized without feeling